So below me is the floor for our Gullwing project. And we have, this is the second Gullwing that we are doing. We have one more which is in completion back there. Now this is some beautiful markings. What we're doing here is we're going to put it in the lining machine and actually line this floor so that once we put it on the car, it's strong and it's not going to make any sounds when the car is moving. Although there's going to be insulation or stuff on top of it, but at the end of the day, we use thinner gauge steel with these added to make it much more stronger. Show you on the car. Feroz here is the guy who's doing this magic, and let's see his magic over here on the car itself. So you can see here on the car, this has made the floor very strong. There is no chassis right now, but the chassis is going to go under this. And you'll notice another thing. The whole body is fiberglass, but the firewall, the floors, the tunnel, and the wheel wells and everything underneath is going to be metal. So it's going to add strength, it's going to add safety, but at the same time, it's going to give us a very strong base to actually bolt stuff onto this. Because on fiber, you can't really bolt stuff, so you need to make it strong in other ways. But here, this makes our job easy, makes a car much better, and frankly, looks really nice as well. So the chassis is going to go up underneath, of course, all of this. It's a CAD designed full frame chassis. These are not body swap projects. So these are fully engineered, fully designed for this body. We're going to make them daily drivers. You can use this Gullwing every day, and the cost is not 1.6, $1.8 million. So you have peace of mind there as well.